Hi there, in this video I'm going to be tackling a classic clutter hotspot in your home, and it is the kitchen counter. This video is part of my 5 days of decluttering video series, which is designed to help you get some quick wins before Christmas and New Year so that you don't feel so overwhelmed going into a new, fresh year, or decade in this case. At the time of recording this video, it is only 3 weeks till Christmas, so that means there's not too long to go until the new decade. 2020 is upon us, and I really need to get this sorted out because it's just annoying the heck out of me and I feel so disorganized while it's like this. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I'm absolutely obsessed with all things decluttering, and on this channel I do a lot of decluttering tips videos and declutter with me's. So if that is what you're interested in, I'd love to have you click the red subscribe button down below and join us. So this should hopefully not take me too long, and I do have some things already that I've prepared because I have an idea of how I want to clean up the space. So basically I want to get rid of the clutter, and then some of the stuff that I want to have access to, like some of the school notices and stuff, I want to put them somewhere not so conspicuous, but so that I still have easy access to them, so that when I need to refer to things I can, but it's not looking like, you know, my fridge is a bulletin board basically. So sit back, relax with a cup of coffee or wine depending on what time of day you're watching this, and watch me declutter, and then at the very end I will show you through everything that I've done to get the space sorted out, and how you can easily do that in your own home as well. This is our second fridge, the spare fridge that we have, and we're lucky that we've got room in this kitchen to store it, but it just, as you can see, it's a hot mess. I actually cleaned and decluttered the top of the fridge. I've done that a couple of times this year, and over here is something I'm hiding from my daughter, and over here is a bowl full of my son's Halloween lollies, some like homework reminders and stuff, pens and pencils, other things that I want to refer to. This is something which I hope is going to be my secret weapon in organizing all this stuff. There's a whole lot of stuff here. As you can see, just my husband's headphones, and I've got receipts and junk. The blue board is actually like a weekly schedule, but there is so much going on for the month of December that I wrote out this monthly board as well, and that's been sitting over here. I need to put the toaster away. Such a mess. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up and you can sit back, relax and watch me.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world starts spinning, is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world starts spinning, is your head spinning
Oh my gosh guys, it turned out so good. I'm so pleased with it. So I did give the fridge a little dust off and you can see it's a lot neater now. And with the kids' artwork, I usually just choose one or two favourite pieces of theirs and of mine. I don't like having like stuff plastered all over the fridge. So here you can see I've just got something that my son was really proud of, so I've got that pride of place on the fridge. And I don't know why I didn't think of this before, but this whiteboard, I got it from Kmart. It actually came with like magnets to stick on the back, so I stuck that on and then stuck that on the side of the fridge. But if you don't have anywhere magnetic to hang it, then it also came with like the double-sided tape, so you can actually just stick it to a wall or something. Or I suppose you could actually probably even use blue tack. Look, all those papers and things are gone. Most of the stuff from the fridge is gone as well. So just in here is just some old bottle tops and plastic bread tags that we're collecting. One of Bud's schoolmates, she's sending those to get recycled. That's our little collection. I just like to have it right on the kitchen counter. So that is going to be gone. My roll of handy towel there. And this black metal and rose gold handles is just beautiful. So that's the bread bin that I bought from Kmart. And I've just put inside it, it's a bit squeaky, flat batteries which I'll recycle out, just odd magnets and stuff, so just bits and pieces, odds and ends really. So this has just got magnets on the back and you can put pens and mail and stuff, but because I've got this now I don't feel like I need it. I could easily just still stick it there if I felt like I needed it. I'll see what my husband says. He actually likes to be able to see his mail and stuff out because otherwise he won't know it's there and he won't open it. So anything important I guess I could put in there. So that's just an extra option. Back to what's in here. So I've just got some pens and some magnets and odd things. You could put anything you like basically. There's even room down here, and then you just shut it away. And I've also put it in front of the electrical outlet. We don't use this electrical outlet a lot, but it does have the fridge plugged in and it looks kind of ugly, so I just like to hide that. I think it looks nicer hidden. Might actually put that on top of the fridge. And then my other hidden tricks are inside my cupboard. So this is where I keep a lot of like my crockery and glassware and stuff. So if you come over here, and we'll open the left hand side first. I've just stuck the old whiteboard, well pink board, it's a magnetic dry erase board, on here again, just using those sticky backings that the board came with. This one I actually got from the reject shop, but you can get white ones from like Kmart. This just happened to be something I was actually going to declutter, and then I decided to use it as a magnet board, so it's just, you know, hung up, you know, what can you recycle, what goes in what bin, little memo notes. It's got the whiteboard or the dry erase pen so you can write little notes on it. It's just shut away so it doesn't look cluttered in your kitchen, but you can easily open it up and refer to whatever you need to refer to in here. And then in here, this is where I like to keep a lot of notes and things from school, and this just shows the schedule of maths homework for Bud this term. And what I've done is just taken all the paper notices and put a bulldog clip on them, and then I just got one of these 3M hooks. This is actually a utensil hook, it's got a little metal hook. You don't really want to keep that much paper really, you should try to keep it as light as possible anyway, so it's not too cluttered, but just hangs nicely there. And then if Bub wants to refer to his homework stuff, it's not on the fridge anymore, it's shut away in the cupboard, but you can easily just open the cupboard and refer to it. So it doesn't clutter up your kitchen, but it's still on hand for reference. easy access. I cannot stop looking at this clear bench space. We actually have a play date after school tomorrow, and I'm so glad that my kitchen is going to look nice and clear and uncluttered for when they come over, because it's a little bit embarrassing when people know that you love decluttering and stuff, but they come to your house and it's a mess, because that's just life. And I just want to show you this drawer quickly too, which is underneath our coffee station. This used to be our junk drawer, and I wanted to make it more of a specific purpose drawer. So now it's got all my kids like drawing books and colouring things, because usually when I'm cooking dinner, that's where my daughter likes to sit at the kitchen table and draw and do stamps and things. So it just makes sense to have this in the kitchen. And because I decluttered my kitchen so much, I had a whole empty drawer. And then also there's all the pens and pencil sharpeners and erasers and things that my son can easily access to use to do his homework in the evening as well. So most of these pens were in that pen holder on the side of the fridge, and now I don't need to store them there. It was looking really messy and really junky, but now it looks good. I honestly can't stop looking at this. I do think this is my absolute favourite declutter and organise little hack that I've done in my house. It's just so simple and inexpensive. I have something even better in store for you guys that you can access right now. I'll put a link in the description below. I have actually made a 3-part, well it's actually 4-part, because there's 3 modules and a bonus video. It's actually a 3-part video training series, decluttering, and giving you tips to declutter 3 of the most bugbear kind of areas in your home before Christmas and New Year. Or if you're watching this in the New Year, or any time of the year really, you can do that too. This is the first time I've offered anything like this. It's totally free. All you need to do is go sign up using the link down in the description below, and you'll get instant access to my 3-part decluttering video training course. And it's basically designed to give you tips on how to declutter and how to basically get over some of those mindset blocks when it comes to trying to get rid of some of the stuff in your house and let go of things. And it also comes with accompanying checklists as well. So I hope you go and check that out, and also if you do, let me know what you think of it. Give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it and found it helpful, and of course remember to subscribe by clicking on my face below, and I will leave a link right here to the other videos in this series if you want to go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.